Hey, Meeting Street Elementary at Burns, friends and family. It's Mr. McKeown, as promised, with our follow-up How to Re-Enroll for the 2021 school year. Now, before we get started, I want to clarify a couple of things. First of all, this video is for our families that are re-enrolling students that are currently with us in grades pre-K4, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and third grade that will be returning to us in 2021. Also, the big announcement that I shared in our previous video will be announced at the end of this video, so stay tuned. For us to get started, I'm going to share my screen so that I can walk you through the steps on how to complete re-enrollment. First thing, you're going to go to our school website. I've got my web browser pulled up. I'm going to go to www.ccsdschools.com/MSE-Burns. It's going to take you to our home page where you're going to look for the Student Parents tab at the top that will drop down, and you will be looking for the Re-Enrollment tab, not enrollment, but Re-Enrollment. Please click on the Re-Enrollment tab and it will take you to our Re-Enrollment Information page. We've listed some information here just so you have it. Of course, this lets you know that we're currently accepting re-enrollment for our returning students in the Dorchester-Wayland community. If you are not sure if you are still in our zone, you've moved, then you would want to click the link here to check your address through the Charleston County Schools Find My School map, just to verify that you're still in our zone or what your zone school is. To re-enroll your student, you're going to look for these items here. The first two items are required. The last two are optional. So the first one is our emergency card. You're going to click on the link and it will take you to a Google form. This Google form can be completed on any device. What you'll find here is you will complete the form with a progress bar that lets you know how far you've gone in the form, and then once you get to the end, it will ask you if you're complete or if you have another form you would like to submit. For any child that you are re-enrolling, you will need to submit an individual form. So you would click yes if you have more than one child. Once you've completed all of the emergency card form or forms that you need to complete, you'll go back to our website. Again, this is under Student, Parents, and Re-Enrollment. The second required form that needs to be filled out is our Meeting Street Elementary at Burns online registration form with the link that you'll click here, and it will take you to another Google form that can be completed on any device. This form will also show you your progress, and once at the end, if you have more than one student that you're re-enrolling, you will be asked if you want to submit another response, and you would do that for each child you're re-enrolling. Once you've completed both the emergency card and our registration for 2021, then you can come back to our website and you can see the two optional items. They are both the MUSC telehealth form. One is in English and one is in Spanish. If you are interested in registering for MUSC telehealth, then you would click the link here. If you're not sure what MUSC telehealth is or what services they provide, I wanted to share that with you. It is the school-based telehealth program that provides access to high-quality health care in the school setting. A physician or nurse practitioner from MUSC or the local community examines your child with the assistance of the school nurse. By filling out this form, you would be giving them permission and consenting to it. So you would just click on this link. Again, this is optional. Fill out the form. It would need to be done for every child that you are re-enrolling. Once you've completed all of these steps, both the two that are required, and if you choose the optional ones, you might want to come back to this web page and check out some information down at the bottom. We are potentially making some changes to our extended day program. So that application is not active yet, so it will be posted at a later date. So check out our Facebook, our Instagram, and our website for updates regarding the extended day application. Also, if you have had any change of address, change in phone number, or any other important contact information, you're going to want to complete the Smart Choice re-registration through Charleston County School District, and we've provided the link here. Now, when you pull it up, you'll see that it's not yet open. You can always access our website and come here to get this link if you are someone that needs to update your address, phone number, or other important contact information. So once you've done the first two items that are required, you've completed re-enrollment, and that's a big step, and that takes us to the end of our video. So I shared that we have a big announcement. We are so appreciative of all the work that it goes into re-enrolling every single child. So we want to say thank you, and we are going to do that by offering the opportunity for the first 50 students that are re-enrolled. They will be entered into a raffle. That raffle is for 3 different $50 Visa gift cards. You heard me correctly. 50 Visa gift cards that you can choose to spend however you want. So we will look for the first 50 students that are re-enrolled. We will draw 3 names, and there will be 3 different winners of a $50 Visa gift card. We will contact you if you are one of those winners, and we are just so thankful that you've taken the time to, first of all, watch this video. Second of all, get the re-enrollment done, because it is so very important, because it lets not only you know, but it lets us know that your child is ready to return to us for the 2021 school year, and it gets everything where we need it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, you run into any roadblocks, you can always reach out to me. My email is daniel_mccowan.c@charleston.k12.sc.us. I want to share with you, in case you didn't quite get that, if you go to our website and you look under our directory, I'm listed there as well as my email, and you can reach out with your questions or concerns. We are excited to have our kiddos coming back to us, and we appreciate you so very much. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.